How to merge PowerPoint presentation. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to add or merge PowerPoint presentation of two different types into the same one, here is a quick tutorial. So for that you have to open the PowerPoint presentation and then tap on new slide option which is present on the top left. Once that is done, tap on the button called as reuse slides. Once you tap on it, on the right side of the screen, you will see the reuse slide option with a search box. In that, tap on the browse button and then select the presentation that you want to merge to. This way, all the slides of that particular presentation will be on display. To add any of them, you can just tap on it and do the same for others as well. However, to include all the slides, you just have to select any of them, right click on it and then press on insert all slides and you are good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.